Healthy Bakers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. So today we're making a healthy chocolate pudding. So what makes it healthy? We are sweetening it with dates. We are adding some nut butter and we're using some plant-based milk. But you guys can use any milk that you like. Technically, you could sweeten this any way you like. You don't have to use dates. And you can use any nut butter that you like. So I love using dates because it's high in fiber, a lot of great nutrients in dates as well. And it tastes delicious. It really does. It's nature's candy. So it really adds something really different to this chocolate pudding, but really delicious as well. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. So let's learn how to make this really delicious, healthy chocolate pudding. There's a squirrel right there. We want to add 10 Medjool dates to a bowl, and you want to pit them and ensure that there's no mold on the inside of them. And we want to pour 3 cups of recently boiled water over them. We're going to set this aside and let them soak for about 10 minutes to soften. After 10 minutes, we are going to scoop out the dates and add them to our food processor or blender, whatever you have. And we also want to include 3 tablespoons of that date water. And this will ensure that we get a nice creamy caramel. If you feel that you need to add another tablespoon to get it really smooth, feel free to do so. And we're going to blend this until it is very, very smooth. If you guys don't want to use date paste, I would probably use 1/4 cup to 1/3 cup of maple syrup here. In a small sauce pot, we are going to add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, that's our thickener, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we want to whisk these ingredients to ensure that there are no lumps. So we are adding our milk in 3 separate additions. Right now we are going to slowly whisk in 1/2 cup of milk, I'm using soy milk, into this mixture. And we're going to get a nice creamy chocolatey paste. And we want to whisk until we get that nice chocolate paste. Make sure you get into the corners. Next, we are going to add our date caramel. And we are going to add 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. Again, you can use any nut butter that you love. And an additional 1/2 cup of milk. And now we are going to whisk until nice and smooth. We're going to add our last 1 cup of milk. And we're going to whisk until everything's nice and smooth. And now we're going to turn the heat on to medium. And we are going to cook this until it becomes nice and hot. We are going to whisk pretty constantly just to ensure that the bottom doesn't scorch, and we want to get to some bubble action, which will take probably about 4 or 5 minutes. Once you start seeing some bubbles, we are going to whisk vigorously for about 30 seconds. And then we're going to remove it from the heat and add a teaspoon of vanilla. And just whisk that through. And now we are going to pour this mixture into 4 glasses. I thought it would be enough for 6, but it is actually perfect for 4. We are going to refrigerate for 4 hours. If you do not like pudding skin, you can cover each with some plastic wrap. You can see after 4 hours it is completely set. And chocolate pudding needs whipped cream. You can also use whipped coconut cream, whatever you prefer. And just some shaved chocolate on top, which is optional. Enjoy. Our healthy chocolate peanut butter pudding has about 8 grams of protein per serving, 4 grams of fiber per serving. It is so delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try this healthy chocolate pudding, let me know in the comments below. I will include the measurements and ingredients in the description box as well as the comment section. Also, our Full of Goodness e-cookbook is available. I'll leave the link in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.